I think I am live. Am I? Cool. So today I'm gonna just work on a project that I've been a friend with. So there's a weight sensor using the HX711. So I'm gonna finish that on the stream. But as always, if you guys have any questions, I'm happy to stop and help you wherever you are in your PCB design. So Sunday is just our chill day where we just chat. Anything about PCB design, anything about electronics, wherever you might get stuck or feel stuck. So I'll just carry on my designs and then, ask me any questions. But before we start, I just want to do the prize giveaway, and then we can get cracking. Just thinking, what's the best way of doing this now? I'm gonna go live on Instagram now, so it's gonna be like interception. I must finish this sweet in my head. Oh shucks. I must take this closer. How awkward is that? Anyway, let me try again. So in this stream, I'm just going to carry on with another PCB design that I'm helping a friend with. So it's just a weight sensor using the HX711. There's some changes I need to make. But if you guys have any questions, please just stop me and ask away. Always happy to help and stuff like that. But I think before we do the stream, I'm just going to go live on Instagram as well and just do the lucky draw of celebrating 5,000 followers on Instagram. So yeah, it's quite cool. If you're not following us on Instagram, go there. Maybe at 10,000 we'll have another giveaway. We also hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I promise that's another giveaway. So I'm still trying to plan everything. So yeah. Cool, so the sound is fine. I'm trying to sort out my life here. I'm just hoping this restream chat is fine, but should be fine. It seems a bit strange. Anyway, so I'm gonna go on Instagram now as well while live on this. And let's find a winner. It's gonna be weird. YouTube and Instagram, doesn't matter. Let's see, I've never actually been live on Instagram before, so let's see how that works. Just gonna move this away. Now we're live here. This restream looks a bit weird. Something seems to. Hey, Sarai. Okay, no. So the chats are coming through. So I'm just gonna go on Instagram now as live and do the giveaway, and then we'll carry on with our PCB design. My hair's a bit still sort of combed. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm live on YouTube and Instagram. So guys, I'm just gonna do the giveaway. Just so weird. I don't know if YouTube can hear me, guys. So on YouTube, go on Instagram. So what we're gonna do now is go through the AJ. Okay, guys. So I'm currently on YouTube as well. So this is quite interception, YouTube and Instagram. I'm gonna do my live stream now. And then, but before I do the live stream, I'm gonna do the draw that we spoke about. So let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is, how does this work? Can I flip it? Oh, there we go. So I'm live on YouTube as well. So I've got the thing open here. So there's all the comments and stuff. And there's not so many comments, so your chance of winning is quite good now. I think there's about 37 comments. So I'm gonna go number generator and just generate a number. So let's make this 40 so we're sure we cover everyone. And then I'm just going to count down, go 1, 2, 3, as it goes like that, and then see who wins. And I'll contact you guys and we can take it further. hope that's all right. If you're not on YouTube yet, guys, I'm live on YouTube as well. We're gonna do some PCB design. Cool. So let's get started. So I'm gonna push this button. Generate. One. Okay, one is nothing because there's no at there. So I want to try again. So I'm looking for a person who's got an at and they're following us. So yeah, unlucky. Let's try again. 28. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh, so it's actually just 26, guys. So I counted everything. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, come on, guys. He's more worried about my hair. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 10. Let's just try again before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So Kunjal Patal. That's number 19. So what's going to happen now is I will message you and then you'll be able to choose. Let me go. So you'll be able to choose, okay, you can either get the M5 stack, we'll pay for your PCB to be made, or a drone, a whoop, a small drone. So I'll message you and then you can choose of those 3. Now the second person can choose between 2 that he doesn't choose. Hey Sura, we're giving a giveaway that we ran a competition 5,000 subscribers. So someone has been on our live video. Okay, so cool. So Kunjal Apatal, if I say something wrong, you just won, so I'll message you. So let's try again. Second prize, number 3. 1, 2, 3. Electronics World. Yeah, lots of followers. I'm not sure what you can do. Cool. So I'll contact you. You also won. And let's try again. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Hey JS, you won. So yeah, guys, so I'll send you a DM on Instagram. So yeah, congratulations guys. We'll have another giveaway on our YouTube because we just reached 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, so there'll be more giveaway there, but I'll contact the winners now and then we can take it from there. So JS, Electro, and Mr. Patel. So Mr. Patel will be able to choose first what he wants out of 3 prizes, and then electronics, the page will get 2 choices of 2, and then JS, you will just have the leftovers. Sorry about that. But next time, guys. So we'll have more giveaways. I like giving electronic stuff to you guys. But yeah, if you want to carry on, join me on YouTube now. We're busy live. Going to do some PCB design. And if you have any questions about PCB design, you can always ask me. I always reply, or I try to. If I can't help you, then maybe someone else can help you. Cool, guys. So I'll contact the winners, and we're going to have a giveaway for 2,000 subscribers on YouTube as well. So just watch this space. And thanks for entering, guys, and thanks for joining the community. Until next time, guys. See you guys live on YouTube now. Cheers. Bye. Cool. Hey Yasir, how's it going? So I just want to contact these people before I forget. just make snippets. I'm glad. Cool, but let's first do some strange. You can see me now. Scene selection, plumb pot. There we go. That seems a bit better now. Guys, let me know about sound and all that stuff. How are you doing, Yasir? Cool. So what I actually want to do is I'm just busy with this PCB that I'm helping a friend with, and there were some mistakes, some problems I had, so I just want to fix it. But you guys, as always, if you guys have any questions, please just shout. Maybe I'll put some music on. I'll struggle to sit here in the complete silence. Mic on, mic off. No copyright music, so I have to play non-copyright sounds from YouTube, otherwise when the video gets shown again, all the sound goes off. Yes, I'm just gonna go through a PCB that I made for a friend. So there were some issues, I just want to fix it. It's basically just a weight sensor. I'll show you now. If it decides to open, close, or game stuff. So we've got a connector at the bottom here that you put a strain gauge in, so you can actually measure weight. So like a suitcase or something. And then there's a touch sensor module and some Bluetooth stuff. So this is the chip HX711, and it can actually measure a strain gauge, so you can measure weight. So I just want to finish this stuff up. I promised a friend I'll help him with it. So yeah, I enjoy doing this thing, so I might as well. And you would also like these LEDs to be the other way. So it's going, so it's 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 2. I don't know why the numbers are so different, but anyway. So that's what I'm going to do today. But if you guys have any questions about projects you guys are doing, please ask. Always happy to help. And then we had a giveaway. I should probably tell people I'm live, eh? Hey Abdul, how's it going? So apparently there was an issue with this crystal. Let's see what that's about. I think I got the footprint, so we use the crystal CST. Hey Setupati, sorry if I said names wrong. So yeah, as always, people come in at different times, so if you ever want to know what the project's about, just ask and I will say it. So this is just so I'm helping a friend with a project that he wants something to measure weight. So this is a HX711 and actually measures a weight from a strain gauge. So you can see it over here. Strain gauge gets plugged in at the bottom here, and it's got this is a Bluetooth chip. and the LED is sensing the weight, and then it's got a touch sensor. So yeah, so you can measure the weight of your suitcase, you can measure the weight of different things. It's basically just a nice little module to measure weight with some LEDs to indicate. But WCST, but now apparently, so I made this board for help him with this board, and apparently there's some problem with the crystal. So the crystal we used was a CSTCE. So this is the resonator we used, and I just need to see which one's the ground pin. There's a technical note on data sheet. So how's everyone's day going? Ah, come on. This mouse is too sensitive. So I just wanted to see. Okay. So you can see pin 2 should be ground. And I've got pin 3 as ground. So you can see 1, 3. And then a mask schematic, I've got, so 2 and 3 need to swap. I think it's just because there's generic symbol and it just got messed up. But it's fine, so let's do that. This is LED. So let's do this. Yeah, Sid, I don't think so. The 80 mega, you can use a tiny. There's a lot of stuff with 80 mega. We actually made a video explaining how to program it. I don't think you do ST-Link. So ST-Link is for STM components. I honestly don't think so. What works well is so I use this. I'll show you now. So I use this. So I've got one of these, and you can use this USB ASP to program your 80 mega. Just tell people message me on. Have you used the 80 mega yet, or are you planning to? Just wanna make a story on Insta so people know we are live and I'm taking selfies. I'm so good with this stuff. Cool, so we want to swap this. I hope that answers your question. Yeah, so the USB ASP, my understanding is it's actually just this, because if you look at it, that is 80 mega chip as well. So it's actually software that you just get that they can program it. So you can actually take a Arduino Mini or something and actually program it as well. So yeah, it's just what's on that chip, because that's just a normal chip. But it's not, FTI is it's a protocol converter, right? So it's taking USB to serial. So it's not exactly the same. So 2 and 3. I'm thinking what's the best way of doing this. Probably like this is probably the best way. Push the wrong button now. I don't know, I'm busy breaking stuff. Getting used to Altium, now I'm pushing place wire and it's not the same. Cool, so that fixes that problem. What other issues? The LEDs you would like other way around. So you can see the LEDs here. So you actually would want, instead of 4, 3, 5, 2, 6. Hey Asha. You would 6, 2, 5. So it's nice, easy victories. And then they want a different connector for this. So yeah, we're just gonna have a 4-pin header. That's fine. Feel free to ask questions, guys. If you see something I'm doing that you want to know, or I don't mind repeating myself. I do understand you all come at the different times. I just want a generic connector for 1 times 4. Like this. Then maybe a cool. So we swapped the LEDs. So it's quite nice that one wire controls all these LEDs. Yeah, so yeah, I said you're gonna have to program with the USB ASP. You program through this. So I did make a video as well explaining how to do it, because I actually made a PCB with this IC, and then I don't program with USB. I program it with that. But it's just to save components, because your USB, you have to need the FTI converters, or you need some serial USB converter. Cool. And then it seems we don't need and then he wants this to be changed to a different value. So let's see what happens. So yeah. What else? So there's my Bluetooth. It's so strange that this only has like 4 pins, but yeah, it's just the way it's made. There's no backboard. So let's see what happens. Tools update. Now it should change a bit. So it's complaining about J4. What is J4? Control F, J4. Strange. So now you can see I'm actually going to go File and delete all my tracks, just to fresh eyes, fresh start. Push F on the back. Cool, so let's just focus on the top, actually the back. And now we start connecting. Guys, please feel free to stop me, ask me anything. If I push a button on the keyboard that you see something happen and you're not aware what it was. Like for tracks, I don't push here, I push X. And then I can just route. Let's just make this a bit lower. This is the LED for this is the resistors for the LEDs. So it's this one here. So these WS21A2Bs, they always need a resistor in series to make it more stable. Maybe I should move this chip, right? So, because that's going there. This is going to that side. So if I rotate it, maybe we should, yeah, so R for rotate. I can actually put this resistor with the LEDs. I'll do that rather. I'll show you guys what I mean. So you can see miso. So try to make your tracks and stuff as close as possible. Let's reset. Okay, but now ground we can get anywhere because we've got the stuff. So let's bring this here. See this ground right there. Makes routing easier. Just seeing if we can get some quick victories anyway. It's always easy to connect these. Not too sure why these are so far from the... You always want them as close as possible to your IC, these decoupling capacitors. Why are they so ugly? What have I done? That's weird. Have you done? I probably did this board like 6, 7, 8 months ago, And then you look at it now and like, yeah, I could have done this better. And then you get lazy because if you want to redo it, it takes long. So let's just swap this around. Always keep tracks nice and short, guys. Always keep tracks nice and short. I've got also copper pores here, so you can see I actually have layers here. You can push B to re-pour it. I also need to take some copper away from this Bluetooth module. So it's got, it actually has an antenna, and you should not have copper underneath the antenna, so I need to remove the copper here. Always try to make it as simple as possible. It's looking neatish. Let's keep this together while we take it so far. Let's just make this neater. It's nice. So you can see how our text looks. Like, this is ugly. Yeah, some of them are not going to be able to be ideal, but anyway. Guess I'm going to make it smaller. You can neaten that up later. Let's play connect the dots. So this is just power to another board. No 90 degrees, guys. There we go. Try to keep things as easy as possible. This will go all the way up. Hey Troy, what do you mean? What refresher project? This one? When last time you made a PCB design? Why you take a break? What you gonna design? See, this is not good because now you're like covering this by itself. Maybe I should just use files, make it look nicer. Yeah, so this is a bit big, so I'd like to make a 0.6 and 0.3. So they can do a via drill of about 0.2 millimeters. So I'd always just... Hey Emre, rotate U5. Let's see how that goes. Does anyone know if I can, so in Altium, if I click on this and I push tab, it will highlight the whole net or the whole track. I've not found that on KiCad yet. Will this be better? We can go there, go there. So Miso can go there, Miso can go there, my clock needs to go there. So I can either come back here, up here. Yeah, it looks better. Emre, do you do PC designs? You play around with KiCad? Because that's another, PCB routing and finding the best path is also another challenge, guys. Don't take that for granted. I can use wires. I don't want to do this because then I make like I closed my 3.3 volts. You don't, I'm gonna make a wire. Eagle. I have not used Eagle before. I should actually give it a go. So I use Altium and KiCad. I need to use Eagle so I can give a opinion about it. Maybe I can help people learn Eagle as well. How do you find Eagle? Have you used other software? Come on. Oh, I can't see it because of this. I can't put a wire there. Yeah, then Eagle's CAD side should be quite good then, if it's part of Autodesk. Are you just doing it for hobby, for fun, or do you play around with it in more detail? There we go. All these rat nests.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
So I'm just connecting now, and then I'll make it all pretty afterwards. To be able to move the tracks, guys, you use the on the key push D for donkey. Oh, what do I do with the music? Oh, that's cool. So you're a programmer. What type of stuff do you program or make, or? So you probably don't program an Arduino IDE then. You'd like to do the proper C++. You're not getting through there, but program the STM32 microcontrollers using. Yeah, I've got the STM32F103C8 now on one of our designs, but I cheat and I do put the Arduino bootloader on it. It was the first time I'm actually using STM32. So we're busy making that macro keyboard, and I had some hassles with putting the bootloader on. I was thinking about might as well just program it without Arduino. But it seems fine now, because it makes use of some Maple driver for the USB. Because the STM32 has a USB inside of it, but you first have to put the bootloader on to make it work, right or not? Or all of them USB capable from the start. Maybe I don't need to put the bootloader on. Oh man, I keep pushing buttons that I'm not supposed to push. Strange not having music to listen to. Emre, where are you from? Turkey. Nice, man. I live in the Netherlands, so it's not too far. Got lots of Turkish work colleagues. They're also head of the chess club at work. There's about 4 or 5 Turkey guys at work who loves chess. This is a far trip down under. So if any of you guys have made some nice projects during this lockdown, let me know. Or any other PCB tutorials you guys would like. So I do during the week try to make some videos, tutorials, and I do listen to you guys. So like Thursday afternoon someone messaged me, can I please make a video about the board outlines, different shapes and stuff, and then yeah, I made it. I'm here to help you guys. So what also helps with routing at times. So this board is actually a lot of space. I know I'm taking long now to route and struggle, but if you choose a path for the top and bottom, so if I say top goes left to right the tracks and bottom goes top to down, it does help. So let's try that theory. So I'm going to try green go left to right and red go up to down. Let's see how it goes. Emre, there's actually no reason. So I wanted this IC, I was struggling in space, but yeah, I can. It does help with routing as well. So what actually happened was this project had a lot of other components on as well. That had to be a certain space, and then I started taking stuff away, and instead of putting stuff and rerouting, I just kept it like this. So yes, ideally it will be best for it in the middle, because then your paths, your tracks are shorter. It's just how lazy I am I? That is the honest truth. Hey Techning, for the drone PCB we actually had about 5 live streams about making it live. I've got 3 videos on explaining this code, the schematic, everything. And then we're busy actually with version 2 also on live. I actually ordered that now. Have you saw the YouTube videos, Teching, or not? Because if you have and you still want explanation, then I'm not too sure how I can help. Please tell me then how I can help. I wonder if I'll find the link for you. But Emre, that's a very good point. Hindsight, I should have it in the middle. Now I'm thinking about, should I put it in the middle and just add an extra couple of hours to my routing. Hey Krish, you're too late, man. The Instagram giveaway just happened. The YouTube giveaway still has not happened. Yeah, it was strange that you didn't enter the Instagram one. I just want to copy the playlist for the drone. I'm looking at this and it seems my hair was so short. Hey, Teching, there. So there's the first video. If it's not clear, yeah, please let me know. I'll try to make it more clear. But but we are making version 2 that's easier to clip on, but the circuit doesn't change. So I tested the circuit works, the motor controller, the ESP32, everything works, it's fine. My problem was just mounting it onto an existing housing. So I did make it a bit smaller, but the app works using Blink, the motor controller using MOSFETs, and the principle is still the same. So please feel free to watch those videos. If you have any questions, just message me. Krish, why? Sorry man, mate, you can enter the YouTube one. Because I did say on Discord as well, so I try to give everyone warning and stuff. But if you're not on Insta, it's not the end of the world. Is there a reason you left Insta? Is there something new out and about that I need to know about? TikTok. I don't need to root it, guys. I'm so rooted. Oh wow, congratulations. What is a beautiful code? Most beautiful code. What do you see as beautiful code? I like that, most beautiful code. Well done, man. You left because of the reels. Don't you like the reels? It's the same as TikTok, right? Or not? Next time. We are gonna have a Insta giveaway as well. Ach, not Insta, YouTube. So I think next week I'll do that. And what did you program at Krish? I can't really remember. Emma, it was challenging because of the PID. So that's also struggled because I didn't mount it properly, and then any variable with the PID becomes quite unstable. So the PID can still be improved. I crashed it many times. But yeah, it is. Also depends how good you want it. So those drones you see at the shop commercially, that is stability wise amazing. If you try to do it yourself. Well done, Krish. The Pluto drone. So you don't need a drone, man. I must still send you the drone PCB, Krish. I'll send you version 2. That's very cool. How's it going, Krish? How's studies going and everything? You've been quiet lately. I'm back at work now, so I also can't keep producing so much content, but it's fine. Do it when I can. Hey, Dar Sandre. Guys, I'm sorry if I say stuff wrong. Have you tried designing project in freelancing sites? What is that? Freelancing site? I'm not too sure what that is. I know what freelancing is, but I don't know what you mean by designing. I saw you on Discord. Ask Kerry a question about some paint. Yeah, so what's your idea? But then what about the ball? Painting, the whole equipment. Yeah, I was also thinking one day about putting like a little light in the cricket ball, but yeah, then it has to be able to take so much force. Is the software called PCB Design? That'll be interesting, but then it can't. So your idea is paint the ball, but you must just paint the ball one side so it swings. Yeah. Just thinking why people haven't done it yet. I should actually just rotate this. I'm being lazy now, guys. Don't be like me. You're talking about, have I tried designing for someone else PCBs? Like on Fiverr or something like that? I think that's what you meant, right? Upwork. No, I've not. And to be honest, I don't think I will. Is there a reason you're asking? So my goal at the moment is just showing guys how they can do it themselves. I don't, to be honest, I've got a full-time job and stuff, so I really just want to help people. So for me now, it's, so if people have projects and they need help with projects, I'll help freely. I won't do it, I just don't have enough time to do it for you, but I'll always help you. But yeah, I've never tried it before, to be honest, no. Have you tried it? So if you have a project idea, we're always on Discord as well. I'm always willing to help discuss it. And I want to start going back to streaming and get people on the stream with me where I can help you with designs. But I honestly just don't have time to make a design for you, because then 5-10 people on Instagram message me, ask me can I do it, and I wish I could, but I just can't. Asha, this is KiCad. You're talking about the PCB Design program. So this is KiCad. It's free, it's open source, so it's perfect for anyone who want to get into PCB design. But I was thinking about getting young PCB designers and helping them help other people. It's an idea I'm playing with, but it's also just time. Like I know with COVID and everything, times are tough, so maybe get a team of young engineers that want to freelance, and I'll just help and kind of mentor. But yeah, it's an idea in my head. Don't know if it'll happen. Refocus. Lazy Sunday. So I do have a ground plane, so I'll just put a wire here. No, I understand. I know that's some people's jobs. So they'll come with, they need this design and you do it for them. And I understand. I just don't see myself doing that now. I just enjoy helping the people too much when it comes to this. There's some cool people I've met, and some people have made the first ever PCB design and things like that, which I really like. What you're studying? Have you ever tried multiple transceivers to find 3D position? No, not yet. So the the DWM, actually, my company asked me just to have a look at different modules we can use for the 1.5 meters for Corona. So I kind of just played in that environment, trying to get different things at 1.5 meters. I haven't actually gone further than that. Are you playing with the DWM 1001? Those chips are so rare at the moment, those modules. If you want to go get it, sure, good luck. I've actually not touched the... I'm glad you like it, Asha. It's actually just non-copyright sounds. It's a YouTube channel. Because if I play real music, then when this video goes on YouTube, then YouTube cuts all audio, and then... Emma, how many do you need to do it? Because at least 4. Do you have my details on? Or you can, I don't know if you're part of Discord, but you're in the EU, so it's easy for me to ship you. I can ship you 4, I think. Let me first look. I think I actually have about 10. So I will ship you 4, and then you can play around with it if you want. Let me know. Because I'm not going to use it, and it's just sitting in the cupboard. I've got other projects. I've got other projects currently running, and it doesn't help. I just hoard it. So if you can use it, I'm happily ship you 4 of them. And it's also nice that you're in Turkey. It's EU, it's easier. That's when I ship stuff to internationally, it gets a bit crazy expensive. Yeah, so how can I contact you? What will be the best way? We've got a Discord link at the bottom. I chat to most of the guys on Discord. But if you don't want to go on Discord, you're welcome to email me or DM me, wherever you want to DM me. Okay. I'm chatting so nicely, I don't know where I am at the moment. I think that's everything on this. Ground. Ah, okay. Sweet, awesome. That's good. Did it work? The retarget C? Oh, nice. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, then just send me a DM on Discord with your details, like your address and stuff, and then I'll try to ship it this week. Let me first just count how many I have. But I think I've got enough to help you. I'll check after the stream. Why are you not moving? Sure, man. I'm interested how it goes. But then you must just share. You don't have to. It'd be cool if you can share a video or a picture on Discord. It'll be cool to see. Taking, I'm actually by study, I'm a mechatronics engineer. So I did my mechatronics degree. But then I went more to electronic side. My final year project for my postgrad, I did an inverted pendulum, but a circular one. So yeah, I don't know if you know what a inverted pendulum is, but it's just, as it's got a pivot point on top, as you hit it, the base tries to balance it. So the pendulum should not fall, or if it falls, it will come back again. So I did that for my final year, my 4th year. Are you going to your final year, or? I think I might actually still have the files on my... Okay, so in the 4th year you do your final year project, right? That was fast like that. Gary, so Gary also does YouTube videos for, and yeah, so Gary is my wife, and we both part of Plumpot. She's Plumstead, I'm Potgieter, that's what Plumpot. And she actually also did a final year project for like a brain controlled wheelchair. So she took a device called Skynet, I'll need to check, but it measures your EG something, your brainwaves. And she hacked it to work with Arduino, and then as she played with her brainwaves, the wheelchair moves forward and backwards. That was pretty cool as well for project. But your final year does not have to be like a thing that has not been done yet before, right? It's not like a doctorate or something. Or am I mistaken? Checking you on our Discord, there's a lot of engineers there as well, so if you ever start with your project and have questions, just pop a question there, and then whoever can help can help. I don't know all the answers, so there are people on there with way more knowledge than me. Bad measure. I'm not actually focusing now, I'm just trying to connect everything. This one. There should be design rules to stop me from doing it. Yeah, that's pretty close. So the head does go to there. It's not high voltage, so it won't arc. So what I normally do is I route everything and then I start moving and making it pretty and stuff. But what should happen is if it's too close, let's just try it. And I go design rule check. You run this, and then it should point here if something's too close. Like there, it doesn't like this. So I do a check before I do anything. Like there. Now that's too close, so it tells you it's too close. Very good question though. But yeah, there's no reason for it to be this close. But like I said, I'm just busy playing connect the dots. There's also nothing with high current, high voltage in this design, so things can be pretty close. Guys, what should be our next project? So where I'm currently at is I ordered the version 2 drone. I'm busy with a macro keyboard, but after that I haven't actually thought about the next project. So let me know what type of projects you think we should get to. I'll fix this. What type of projects you want? There's been a lot of interest on power supplies, buck-boost converters. You want me to build the Iron Man suit? Guys, I only have... So I only work on this stuff after hours, so please keep that in mind. This is not a full-time job for me. Iron Man suit. Someone did make it, I think. I saw it on TikTok the other day. Which part do you want? The head? For me, the electronics isn't bad. It's the mechanics behind it. The movement and stuff. That's also quite a challenge. So your servo motors will have to be in the right position to move it how you want to move it. Iron Man suit. First, when I started studying, I told my friends I'm going to build them Iron Man suit, and then I lied because I didn't. I think that must be a cool job to go work for, like a movie place like Disney or Marvel, and then create props like that for the movies. I think that must be such a cool job. Togla, does he speak English? Because my Turkish is very bad, like non-existing bad. Oh wow. Hey, it seems cool. Wow, this guy's hectic. Does he show how to make it? Or, I mean, like, does he give the files and stuff? I'm watching his first one now. I can show you guys. That's pretty cool. 3D printed, I guess. See, electronics is not the difficult part, it's the whole movement and getting stuff together that looks so cool though. I'll definitely check this out. But does he have files or something that he shares? I see this Github. But I'll definitely check it out. I don't want to do this. So guys, you don't really want your TX and RX to cross like this. You don't want the tracks to be on top of each other. So I'm going to fix this. Because sometimes you get some crosstalk, but it's slow, so it should not be an issue. So these have to go there. I think I'm actually gonna move this IC to the middle. Hey, Sagri? Sorry, Sagri. So I am busy making like a weight sensor type of thing. So you plug in a, what do you call it? Measures the weight when you bend the resistance. So it measures weight, so you plug in the scale here, and there's a Bluetooth IC there, some LEDs, some touch. So it's just measuring weight and indicating depending on the weight. Sorry, man. Smart ground is, yeah. So because it runs on a battery, we like the battery to stay as full as we want to, as long as we want to. So if I make this ground, there will always be a current running through here, always. But now I make a smart ground, which is connected to my micro, and I kind of sync it. So then I smart ground here, then I make my PD4 a ground, and then it will sync current. Other than that, there won't be any current. So it's just a way of saving battery power. That makes sense? Am I explaining it right? So basically it's a smart ground. I decide when it's ground. So I just sync current. It's to measure the battery voltage. Don't want to worry about that too much. Where are you from, Sagri? Because this design will actually run off a LiPo battery, so, and we want it to last for long. Is it also from Turkish? Is that a Turkish name? That's cool. How's the corona stuff in Turkey? So we don't hear a lot about Turkey with corona in the news. It's just been UK and stuff. So I actually stay in the Netherlands, but I'm South African actually. Asha, there's normally it's mostly Indian. It's the first time it's not Indian. I don't know. So I can see that, yeah, there's 7 people watching, so not everyone chats. Some people just watch in the background. So if there's any Indians out there, please say hello to Asha. There we go. I knew it. But it doesn't matter where you guys are from. But India is also massive, so it's like, where in India are you guys from? I get a lot of messages on Instagram, people trying to speak Hindi to me and stuff, but then I try, can you speak English, and they carry on. So maybe I need a translator. Just got a message, someone asked me, can I speak? Do I know Bengali? Sure, man, Emre. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, contact me. I'll try to ship that stuff this week. It does a bit delay now with Corona and all this whole mess. So, but normally it's quick. So you should have it by next weekend, we hope. And then let me know if you, yeah, don't know how much I can help, but let me know how it goes. I'm quite interested to see your outcome. I'll probably also leave soon, maybe another 20 minutes. Got some grown-up stuff to do. But yeah, please join us again next week, Enra. So this is every Sunday, just chilled. If anyone's questions, just shout. I'm actually here just to help people while I do my own thing. And I'm looking for a new project to do. Looking for new project ideas. You guys must feel free to chat to each other. Yeah, if you guys are from the same area or whatever. How about anything? Because as you can see, Asha, I would like to know if there's any Indians out there. So please If you want to chat about random stuff, it doesn't have to be about this. Go ahead. Don't want to do that yet. Strange. Oh, it just needs a wire. Boom, done. Yeah, so it would have been ideal if this was maybe a 4-layer board. It's very bad to have your ground planes cut like this. Think you know. No, I'm not, Asha. So, yeah, so what we do is whatever design I do on stream, I normally put on GitHub and give it freely available. I don't sell any PCBs. So yeah, no, I won't sell it. So like the drone and the macro keyboard, it's all on GitHub. You can download it, you can take it, you can order it. The code is there as well. But no, I'm not selling stuff. So after I complete a project, I do put on GitHub. Also on PCB Way, they've got this project place where you can just download the Gerbers straight away. But yeah. Asha, do you want this design? But let me first finish it. I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna move this. This is very ugly. It's giving me headaches. It will work, it's just so ugly. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it a stream. I actually want to move this to the middle and it's gonna take me a bit longer, and I've got some errands to run now. So if there's any questions, please let me know. If there's any tutorials you guys want me to do on PCB design, so what type of content do you guys want us to create? I'm going to let the winners know now about the Insta win, and then next week I'm going to try have a YouTube giveaway. I'm trying to think about what to do, what prizes and stuff, because we're not sponsored or anything, so all prizes do come from ourselves, so don't expect a laptop. But yeah, guys, have a fantastic day. If there's any more questions, I'll see you guys same time, same place next week, next Sunday, 2 p.m. my time. Does that time work for people? I don't really know, because I know we've got a lot of Indians, so it's about 5:30. What do you mean now, Asha? Now you can think about it. You can think about a project or tutorials, or if you do a PCB design, you get stuck and like, I wish I knew how to do something, let me know. Then I normally try to make a video so I can help more people. I do help one-on-one as well on Discord if you have questions. Or on Insta, I do try to reply to every single comment, every single message. But yeah. Asha, what do you mean now? Cool, guys. If you have any questions, please message me on any platform, on Discord, on Instagram, on Facebook, YouTube. We even got TikTok. I'm trying to make videos for TikTok as well for the younger generations. Yeah, I'm a bit old, but anyway. Cool, guys. Have a fantastic Sunday. Stay safe.